So I finally got around to installing that. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. Finally got around to installing that dual motor setup. So I'm running dual 540 cans, 80 turn RC 4-wheel drive motors. So they're mounted directly to the sidewalls. Direct drive with a smaller sprocket and shorter chain. Running on 3-cell. It'll go up to 6S, I believe, which I don't own. So, but it goes pretty good. Of course, rookie running is what, dual 540 can brush motor SV3 ESCs.
Yeah, dual SV3s on a hacked fly sky.
Going down the lake.
Yep.
Very sensitive to steer though. It's like guys who complain about the stick radio. They don't want to use two hands. Well, you still kind of got it with this setup as well. Oh yeah. Take it. There you go. Oh.
Yeah, you must be getting a little low. I'm pulling ahead of you.